In this video, I'm going to show you how to unhide a post on Facebook. After hiding a post on Facebook, later you want to unhide it. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to the post that you want to hide. In this case, I'm going to go to my profile timeline by tapping on my profile menu. Then on this interface, scroll down until you locate the post that you want to hide. So in this case, I want to hide my profile picture that I recently updated it, as you correctly see 4 minutes ago. On the top of the profile picture, you could see 3 dots. Continue to tap on it. Then you have a bunch of menus. Proceed to tap on hide from profile and then continue to tap on confirm. So this will hide the post on your profile. In order for us to unhide it, all we have to do is to navigate back to our home page and refresh it. After refreshing it, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then on this interface, scroll down until you see dashboard. Beside it, you see 3 dots. Continue to tap on the dots. You land on an interface like this with a bunch of menus. Proceed to tap on activity log. Then this will drop you onto an interface like this. You could see your activity across Facebook. Continue to tap on it. Then scroll down a bit until you locate posts. Then under posts, continue to tap on manage posts. Allow it a little for it to finish loading. As you correctly see, this is the post that I just hidden from my profile. In order to unhide it, all I have to do is to navigate and tap on this 3 dot beside the posts and then continue to tap on add to profile. And that's it. I've successfully unhidden that post on Facebook. I'm going to show you another way. So all I have to do is to navigate back to my profile timeline. In this case, I'm going to scroll down and locate the post that I want to hide. So let's take this one for instance. On the top of that post, locate this 3 dot and tap on it. Then you'll be prompted with a list of options. Continue to tap on edit privacy. In order for me to hide that post, all I have to do is to toggle only me on. And that is it. This post has been hidden. If I want to unhidden it, all I have to do is to come back to this interface and then proceed to toggle on public. As you correctly see, it's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.